Hi, my name is Ernest, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Ajax Search Pro to filter the CT Divi Query Builder legacy query module. So for this tutorial, you're going to need obviously Ajax Search Pro and the CT Divi Query Builder by Divi coding. You can get it from here. And just to reiterate, this is only going to work with the legacy query builder module. So let's do that by going to first off to the Ajax Search Pro menu, and let's create a search bar. I already have one. If you don't, you can just create one with this form. And you are going to need basically two things. One is this shortcode right here. Just copy that somewhere or just take a note. And the second one is if you go to the search settings, let me go back with this gear icon, go to the search behavior, and under search element or archive show page live results panel, this little string. I'm going to leave this open and open the pages in a new tab. Let's add the new page, and I'm going to use, of course, Divi Builder and build from scratch. Let me just add in equal columns text that I'm going to put the shortcode into. So WD ASP ID 1, it should render the search immediately. And I'm going to add a new section, and into this section I'm going to put the query builder, the legacy version. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with the new query builder. I'm going to figure out probably a solution in the next version, but for now only the legacy version works. So once you have this ready and go to the settings, you want to go to the advanced panel and to the CSS ID and classes. And we're going to need the CSS class field. Let's go back to Ajax Search Pro and copy this string, this ES_ES_1, and just paste it here into the CSS class. And I think I need to publish this in order to work. Let me go to preview and delete the string. Here we go. And if I started typing something, it should start filtering the module immediately. So let's go like something like oh, here we go. It's already working really nicely. That's all there is to it. All right. I hope you enjoyed this very short tutorial. If you like this, then give a thumbs up. If you don't have a license for Ajax Search Pro, grab one and you can do this. And I hope I can extend this feature for the non-legacy module in a future release as well. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.